Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been tracking this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And once again, a solid day. I mean, I'm sure people would have liked to see maybe a little bit more green, but you got to keep context in mind. What do I mean by that? Well, considering that, let's see, the Dow Jones was down 551 points today, and this actually bounced back. So, I mean, when you think about it, the price gapped down at one point during the day. The price was right there. And by the time the closing bell rolled around, it actually worked its way back upwards when, again, the overall market was getting hammered to the tune of 550 points. So from that perspective, in and of itself, a very bullish day. And then looking specifically at the chart, everything is still totally holding up. Now, yeah, this level of support right here at 1675, which I talked about, was technically violated, but we care about where the price ultimately closed. And as I've already pointed out, given that the price ultimately closed well up above it, 1675, again, that green line right there, is still, that key level of support, and it's been holding up just like you would want to see it hold. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, the one new level that seems to have made itself known here, which is not shocking given it's just a very foundational and very famous level in the world of charts, is this purple line here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. You can see with the gap down below it, and I should say this comes from a foundational rule which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So the price gap down below it this morning during that first 30 minutes, you can see the price bounce back up, was rejected, recovered, once again was rejected right there, and now is kind of approaching it here. But the point here being, that 50 period does seem to be that near-term level of resistance. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price can't break through it or anything like that. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price struggled, at these locations today. So that's going to be that very near-term level. In the event the price can push through that purple line there, the next level of resistance is going to be right around $18.20. And then, yeah, you still have the level up there around $19.25, but totally pointless and, there's no reason to be talking about $19.25 right now until the bulls can first prove themselves. And I'm defining quote unquote prove themselves as getting not only back up above, there we go, the purple line there, but also $18.20. So all in all, yeah, not the greatest day, but, and that's a big but, given, the price was able to hold up despite the entire market getting, hammered, I'd consider it a good solid day. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.